scene? None, because that hasn't existed for over 50 years. You know what I mean? So no one can actually truly fucking say, including them pricks that put on they don their fatigues, they're on their uniform, on their barracks, in their military base abroad, and they'll go, this is the best technique against a knife. And the man's got the knife out there already, he's got all the space in the world, he turns around and runs. Well, yeah, if you've got that much fucking space, then you can run. But how we do it in our fucking style, in how we roll, our culture, proper urban environment, yeah, urban warfare is different, bruv. It's too clever. You've got to be clever. It's not that kind of. It's just completely fucking different. Someone will talk to you before they stab, or you'll be preoccupied with 2 or 3 other people, well then you're gonna get stabbed from another position. You might have been punched before you got stabbed. If you heard Carl, he got gassed before he got stabbed both times. You see what I mean? The times when knives have cut my flesh, it's not been one person. I've been fighting more than one person. Hence why I take a little jab here with a knife, a little slash there with a knife. But I'm still here. You see what I mean? It's a big fucking difference, man. If a man was at the gate there now, and he had a knife out, that gives me enough time to even fucking climb that. Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah. I would, you know, in an adrenalized state, I'd be like a proper ape, up there and over, drop down hard, break myself, get back up and fucking run. I'd have that kind of thing. But then what? See the same thing I said about the fucking cage door, yeah? Well, what if he had the knife out and he just ran at me very quickly and stood in the way of my door, and there's no way I could climb up there before he could. Yeah? So now you take him running out of the equation. Now what the fuck you got left? If you ain't got a plan B, because plan A should always be escape, yeah? If you ain't got a plan B though, you get frozen when plan A didn't work no more. You see what I mean? So if you freeze, what's going to happen to you? You are literally at their mercy. It's how far they're willing to go. If they're willing to go all the way, you're a dead man, no questions asked. If they're not willing to go all the way, they might have accidentally cut you in the wrong place or too many fucking times. Simple as that. See what I mean? So there's a lot of people that they talk a good game, man, but and the general population will burn to them. You know what I mean? Yeah. But when you've really been there, you know, like you lot are chatting shit, and I can't believe no one else can smell it. You know? It winds me up. Yeah, you can get fucking caught, you can fall over. Yeah. Listen, do you know what? Bottom line, bro, if it was so easy and so effective to run, yeah? If it was so easy and so effective to run, how come pretty much you got teenagers getting killed every day? Exactly.
Don't forget this, say if you're with someone, so with your girlfriend, what are you can do then? And she's got stilettos on. Shit.
Your children, your parents, old.
God forbid, yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Come now. Like, these people are just too fucking cut and shut with it. Anyway, so the one man, any weapon, yeah? And then we'll go on to the other stuff. The one man, any weapon. That's how I do it.
I didn't even see it.
That's how I do it. Notice the position I've got to now. I'm moving in for the workbench.
Yeah.
I've got him in the workbench. So if the knife was already gone, so if that was the case, I'd still break his arm, still smash him, and I'd fight my way to get to the knife. Yeah. Then I'd still do his ankle, and depending if he looks like his hands are disappearing, I'll be stomping on his head because he's already showed me. You know, you've already showed. Yeah, kill him. It's a grab, so I get rid of it. I'm actually with that lever. He comes there. Down we go. I'm in the same workbench position. So the beginning might be different. The middle will end up being the same. The end will end up being the same.
Cool.
Yeah. I wouldn't normally hit the weapon right? I hit up here, yeah? And then I go to the head. You'll see what I'm talking about. Imagine if that was the whole point was this is supposed to be him having a knife, right?
Don't know.
Yeah, I know, because I've got to hit something.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because otherwise he won't realise what's getting hit. You've got to feel, yeah? Alright? I want you to attack me with that. Yeah, do you want to go again? Now here's the thing. Look at the length of that. I have to do it slow mo because I have to hit. Bang, that's across the head. Yeah? Bang. Turn and stab me now. All that time I'm around and fucking crack. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, you have to move that fast.
Yeah.
I'm saying disarm that.
You can't.
Here's the thing, here's the fucking difference, yeah? Every cunt out there teaching a technique against this and that would be nice. Or if they're not, they refuse to, and they're telling you run. We've been through that already. I told you the ins and outs of that. But the difference is, bruv, I've bled against these fucking things. And I'm still there. So you know in my mind, yeah? In my memory bank, in my subconscious, I've already got the emotional attachment to this. You see what I'm saying? So I already recognise, I'm gonna bleed. Let me not bleed in an area that's bad. Let me just get those little ones. Do you know, I've taken baby wipes and wiped my cuts down, a rag, stopped the bleeding as much as possible, kept the pressure on while I opened super glue like that, and fucking wiped it one more time and put the super glue over it and fucking done that before. Yeah? Recently, 2 years ago, done one across my hand now. I had to sacrifice my hand because the guy was trapped behind the door, my foot was stuck in the fucking door and he was going through it. It was just his arm wangling around and me. And I couldn't get out. I was like, fucking hell. The easiest thing would have been if I could have just stepped back. But my foot was stuck. So in that instance, I had to sacrifice, cleverly, the back of my hand. That weren't super glueable though. that weren't. And those fuckers weren't. And that fucker weren't. And my elbow, did you see that one? That one there, yeah.
What, did they stitch it up or?
Yeah, that was only a couple of stitches. Those were a couple of stitches each. That was about probably 5. That was more. Legs really stitched up. That was when I was 14. And that was when I was 14. That was a 16. That was 16. And those were 2015. But what I'm saying is, I've got that emotional attachment. I know what's happening there. So I've got no hesitation. In my memory bank, I know I've lived through these situations because I've gone in. So in my memory bank, I've got no situation where I'm thinking of running. I already know from experience and memory that going in is my best chance of survival, and it's worked. Do me a favour. I know you'd feel away, but no, I know you'd feel away like it's a blade and that. But I was saying, what's the best thing? You over there, man? You coming at me with that? I've got to get way past that fucker there. I've got to get way past. Towards you again. That's where I've got to get to, isn't it? Do a bit more of a... Yeah. Now pull it out. Pull it out. Go on. Go on. Pull him. Help him pull. So you got, so you got two. You got him, much bigger, much stronger than me already, yeah. Plus you, fucking probably as strong as me, yeah. Right? How the fuck, if both of you can't pull this out, how's he gonna do it by himself? Yeah. So I went from there down. Proper workbench now. Look. Even hands free. Not that I would, but yeah. Break it, smash it, pick that up, have a word, have a look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Deal. My turn. See what I mean? It can't be different because of that length for the weapon.
When it comes in, what's in?
Gonna strip that.
Standard.
Yeah. You're not, are you? So any time that you go into the that, if you make that a habit for any fucking reason to strip, bro, have a look at my thumb. Look it on the see if you can focus on that on camera.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Bruv, that was to the bone. Doing stupidness like that because other people told me, you know? Nah, bro, you can't. The minute, for any moment, you've got a habit of going there. You had control for that moment and you just literally give it away. Not a dickhead manoeuvre.
When it's a live knife, it feels a lot better.
You feel more in the zone. You wanted to flash as well. You see what I'm saying, yeah? But these are purpose designed weapons. We're talking about whatever you can fucking pick up around you, yeah? And whatever's. So, when you're aware of your surroundings and you're switched on to your surroundings, me personally, right? Everywhere I walk knowing I could use that, I could use that, I could use that. Right, I could use that, I could use that, I could use that. And I've always got it in my mind. I'll give you a joke. See when we walk out of here later, yeah? When we walk out, your car's there, but walk a little bit more where our cars are. There's a brick on the floor all the fucking time. All the time. There's one particular brick there. I could use that. There's sticks and branches. I could break off from the other side. I could use that. There's bottles here. There was a glass bottle left outside earlier. I could use that. You know what I mean? Like, there's always something you could use. A wheelie bin. Bruv, you're adrenaline lounge, yeah? You reach over someone's front garden wall, yank back their fucking wheelie bin. Whether it's got things in it or not, you could use that.
Hopefully not a ton of bricks, bro.
If it's a ton of bricks, then you open it up and you fucking go, oh fuck it, I could use that. You see what I mean? Perfect, man. Like all of these things, if you can hold it in your hands and move it, you could use it, you know? Obviously you've got different weighted things like Bob over there could be used, the ropes could be used, the pads could be used, yeah. Like anything here could be used, but it's knowing how to use them, right? So the real one of that is this, Fairbairn Sykes dagger, yeah? Okay. It's double edge, super sharp, needle point.
Shit.
Needle point sharp, yeah? But either edge will cut, yeah? Definitely can't grab that. Run straight through your hand, yeah? It's designed for nothing else but killing you. That is supremely fucking sharp, yeah? And the real one of that is that, the K-bar. That's the US Navy SEALs standard issue, yeah? So you notice there's only one cutting edge there and a very sharp point. Very effective, got more weight in it. Both of them do damage. You see what I could do with that one finger Kedam bit? You know, that's what you've got to take into consideration. Think about what that can do. You know? Yeah?
Same thing.
Same fucking thing. One mind, any weapon. Put your left hand. Cut again, now turn and stab me. Cycling stabs to the neck. Yeah. But look at that angle. Look at that. Now give me that knife. Look at that. Wait a minute. Look at that. Look at that. Did my arm change?
Nah.
Did it?
Just a length.
Right. See what I'm saying to you? So here's what we do. Bury that, mate. Go for it. Go for it again. One more time, go. Yeah? What am I doing? Angle wise.
Taking him off.
Coming off slightly.
Slipping. Almost.
And I'm catching your arm, right?
Yeah.
I'm catching your arm. Doing that. Then that and that. Everything fits. Yeah? Everything fits. The thing about it is, I've got a weapon. You got a weapon, I've got a weapon. You're attacking me like that. Yeah? How am I dealing with it? The same way.
Fuck.
Move to the same angle.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? So I've got something, I ain't got something. I'm moving the same way. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now at this point,